What's up, everyone? This is Noah Wagner, Mobile Mechanic. Today we had to go pick up a neighbor's car. We got a 2005 Nissan Maxima with the 3.5 liter V6. So far what he's told me, it's stalling while he's driving and shutting off and keep leaving him stranded. So we got it picked up. Let's figure out what's going on. First thing we're going to do, we're going to turn that car into run position. We have a service engine light blinking, so let's run it for codes and see what we get. Alright, got a P0335 code for the crankshaft position sensor. So let me show you where that is and let's get it replaced. Alright, let's get that crankshaft position sensor. You're going to need either ramps or jack stands. You're going to need to get the car off the ground. Luckily I already had it on the trailer that I towed with. So let's get under there. Now when it comes to your 3.5 liter V6 with the automatic transmission, your crankshaft position sensor is going to be right on the bottom. It's going to be pretty much right next to the exhaust here. So here's our sensor. I already cleaned this area with brake cleaner to get some oil out of the way. You're going to need a 10mm socket. And that's it. Let's do it. So we're going to get this broken loose, this cover removed, so we can get to that sensor. Alright, now that we got that cover removed, I'm going to hit this one more time with some brake cleaner before we start removing this plug. Next thing we're going to need to do, we're going to unplug this sensor. There's going to be a small black tab right where my finger's pointing. You're going to want to push that in. I don't know if you can see it moving in and out. Push it in, and you're going to want to slide the plug out. On our next step, we're going to use the same 10mm. I am using an extension. That's up to you. That's going to go on the bolt to remove our sensor. So we can here. Take it out by hand, just like that. Now, for getting this out, what I usually do is I'll spin it side to side as I'm pulling out gently, and it should slide right out. Now we got our old sensor out. Alright guys, we got our old crankshaft position sensor here. You see how dirty that thing is. This car does have 219,000, maybe more. I can't quite remember. So the part number from this was bought at AutoZone. Just to show you, it's going to be SU6873, and this is going to be the replacement for the 3.5 liter Nissan Maxima with an automatic transmission. So next, let's compare to make sure we have the same part. Looks the exact same size wise, plug, everything. Alright, we're going to lubricate this O-ring here with some oil and then put this in. Alright everyone, got my O-ring on our sensor lubricated with the oil. Next I'm going to go up here with the rag, just clean the surrounding area. Make sure it's not any dirt and debris stuck up in there. Alright, let's get our sensor, and we're just going to replace it. Same way we pulled it out, we're going to twist it side to side as we're giving it pressure, pushing it inward. And just like that. Let's replace our screw. Screw here. Let's start by hand. Nice and slide. Alright, let's go ahead and check that, make sure nothing's burnt. Let's give it, plug it in. Next we get our sensor plug in. It's looking very good. Last we're going to get our cover and screw, put back in where it goes. There we go. Job is complete. Let's get the car running and grab the goats and check the kids. All right, here we go. Before we had around a 3 to 4 second crank. Hopefully now with the sensor replaced, we're gonna have a very quick startup. And we'll keep an eye on that check engine light. Look at that. Starts right up. All right, guys. We're done with the test drive. Everything went well. Car did not stall, and it is cranking extremely well. So we are good to go. We got another happy customer. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna work on keep posting car videos so that you can learn to work on your own car and save yourself some money. Thank you guys for watching.